In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use Replit to build a website. We'll start by opening Replit in your browser. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, you can create one quickly. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace where all your projects live. Replit is a cloud-based development environment, so everything runs right in your browser. No installs needed. Even on the free plan, you can build a full web app using the built-in chat. Look for the chat panel and type a clear prompt describing what you want. For example, you might say you need a simple landing page with a hero section, an about block, and a contact form. The more specific you are about colors, layout, and features, the better the starter code you'll get. Replit's AI can scaffold files like index.html, style.css, and script.js and explain what it created so you understand how it fits together. Before you generate, choose the platform that matches what you want to build. For a basic website, pick HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you prefer a framework like React, you can choose that as well. Once you've made your selection, click Start. Replit will set up the project, install anything it needs, and open the editor. You'll usually see a preview or a run button, so you can view the site as soon as it's ready. Now go inside the project. On the left is your file tree. In the center is the code editor. And on the right, you'll often have a preview panel. You can open files to see what the AI created and make quick tweaks. Hit run to start the server if it isn't already running, and use the preview to confirm everything looks right. Changes you save typically show up in the preview within a moment. If you want to refine the site, use the chat on the left side panel to request updates. Ask for changes like adjusting the color scheme, adding navigation, making the layout responsive, or optimizing images. You can also paste a snippet of your code into chat and say what you're trying to fix. The assistant will propose edits and can apply them directly, while you keep an eye on the preview to verify the results. When you're ready to collaborate, click Invite to share your project. You can add teammates by sending them the invite link and choose their access level so they can help edit or review. Sharing is great for feedback, pair programming, or handing off the project to a client. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.